It's a wild rescue. Ever since he's got food in him, he has got a lot more energy. Oh, John boy, stop. How are you doing? Now that he's eating, got energy, because he was extremely thin, y'all. Like, I mean, thin. One of the thinnest dogs I've ever caught. Hey, stop. Anyways, one of the thinnest dogs I ever caught. Now he's getting some weight on him, some energy. He's a wild thing. He wants to be right up all in your business. He likes to play. He does that all the time. Oh, John. Did you get called a goofball before somebody dumped you or lost you, whatever happened?